Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, use the left button on your remote to go to the sidebar. On the sidebar, navigate to Settings and then use the right arrow button to navigate to the Wi-Fi option. Now, what we want to do is press the bottom button on the remote to see the Wi-Fi list. Select Wi-Fi list. Select Network Settings. And then let your TV search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that you want to connect to from the list and press the middle button on your remote. Then you're going to have to provide the password for your Wi-Fi. To navigate between the letters and digits, you can use your side keys, and to select, press the middle button. And this way enter your password. And once you're ready, navigate to Go option and press the middle button to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then wait for your TV to connect to it. To confirm, select Connect if you see the notification like this, and then press the middle button once again to confirm your connection, and then the network that you connected to will appear on your Wi-Fi list, and you can just select it to connect to it. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.